You clicked on this video for a reason, to make money on CSGO/CS2 without getting scammed or breaking Steam rules. I got you, so stick with me. I'll show the legit methods players are using, how to stack them, and the traps you need to avoid. First, the safest route is skin flipping on the Steam market. Buy items when hype drops, like cases, cheap skins, or stickers after big events. Then resell when prices rebound. Steam takes a small cut, but consistent flips stack fast if you track trends and avoid impulse buys. Second, case trading and opening during high-demand windows. Some cases rise over time because they stop dropping. Instead of opening them, hold on to high-value cases and sell when supply dries up. People massively overpay during new collections or patches, so timing beats luck every time. Third, buy low on third-party marketplaces and sell high on Steam, only if the site is reputable and supports safe escrow. Some skins are cheaper off Steam. If the difference beats Steam's fee, you make profit instantly. Check float value and rarity before buying, so you're not stuck with dead inventory. Fourth, play to earn through drops. Weekly rank base drops can give you skins and cases you can sell immediately. Keep your account active, hit your weekly drop, and list everything you don't want. It's slow, but completely risk-free. Some rare drops spike hard during updates. Pro tip, track prices with a simple spreadsheet. Item name, buy price, date, and target sell price. Most people lose money because they panic sell. The profit comes from patience and buying when everyone else is dumping. Never gamble, never use free knife sites, and never link your Steam login anywhere shady. Stick to Steam Market, verified trading platforms, and legit drops only. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment about the items you're holding, and I'll tell you if they're worth flipping.